Hi everyone, I have Osman from Polygon today with me, and we are here at the Zeeve's AppChain and Rollup Day. Everybody knows about Polygon, but we are going to talk about with Osman today on what is coming on Polygon. We already know about AggLayer. In fact, at Zeeve, we have built so many rollups on Polygon CDK, and now we are integrating those into the AggLayer for the finest and the most futuristic interop solutions. But though AggLayer is not just about CDK chains, it's more than that. It's a versatile, universal solution. So I would ask Osman you about what is the future of AggLayer? How do you or Polygon envision it?
Totally. Great question. Polygon's number one focus is to contribute to and grow the AggLayer at the moment. And just as an intro, AggLayer is a zero-knowledge-based technology that intends to connect layer 1s and layer 2 blockchains. The end goal is to create a connected Web3. Everything that Polygon ships kind of speaks to how AggLayer can grow. Polygon POS, Polygon CDK, different CDK chains that we are collaborating on, Polygon ZK EVM. All of these technologies and chain environments are intending to grow the asset diversity and users on the AggLayer that benefit from the AggLayer. AggLayer is very agnostic in terms of who can use the technology.
Right.
So CDK is an easy way to leverage the AggLayer because all CDK chains are natively integrated with the AggLayer. At the same time, a lot of core contributors are working on how AggLayer can be connected to different ecosystems as well, not just Ethereum, outside of Ethereum like Solana, Avalanche, and so on. So this is a pretty big focus for Polygon in 2025, and we're definitely not alone in this. Collaborating with Zeeve heavily, and there's a lot of other core contributors that are trying to bring this vision to reality.
Right. This vision is a great vision. We have already integrated a few chains like GPD, Ternoa, WireX into the AggLayer, and we know the benefits. Customers are already utilizing the LxLy Bridge, doing interop transactions.
Yeah.
But beyond LxLy Bridge, what is it they can leverage and benefit from the AggLayer in upcoming 2-3 months or 6 months?
So I think thinking about AggLayer, the easiest framework is that AggLayer has 3 core components. One is the shared bridge, which Gan is referring to as the LxLy Bridge. The other one is the Pessimistic Proof, and the third one is the Toolkit. LxLy Bridge simply allows chains L2s to send assets between each other and L1s as well. Pessimistic Proof is a technology that allows to verify the bridge of different chains, and this allows AggLayer to connect to different environments. So essentially Pessimistic Proof, oversimplifying it, but it's a ZK-based technology that does not guarantee necessarily the security of each chain environment, but it guarantees the security of the bridge environment of each blockchain. And this is how each chain connects to the AggLayer. And lastly, Toolkit. Toolkit is super important because the connecting to the AggLayer has to be easy. SDKs and APIs, and anytime Zeeve is connecting a CDK chain or another chain to the AggLayer, Zeeve has to use a few components of the toolkit. So these three components make up the AggLayer, and there's much more information on the doc site actually, as the AggLayer technology is being developed. The doc sites are being updated on a daily basis.
Yeah. So as you can hear, this is bringing the future to today, but it'll become the future tomorrow. So we as a close partner working on AggLayer, if you're building a chain, be it CDK or non-CDK, we can actually bring it to the Polygon AggLayer, and you can benefit from all those features of interoperability going forward. So thank you, Osman. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
How's the vibe at Rollup and AppChain Day?
AppChain Rollup Day, great. This is actually my third time attending this event. As the team does a very ambitious event every time. It's one of the better events out there. I think Zeeve team is super practical and focused on real life use cases. And that's helpful because sometimes we need to zoom out from infrastructure and zoom out from these complicated terminologies and talk about actual builders. So here in this event, there's a combination of infrastructure builders and enterprises that are testing their use cases, or Web3 native builders that are actually building Web3 native, interesting applications. So very diverse set of people are attending. A lot of people here also come from a very strong understanding of why they need blockchains. It's not just about hype, but a lot of the builders that I spoke with here are very familiar with the architecture of their applications and come here with a strong understanding of whether certain parts of their architecture can be outsourced or made more efficient with the use of AppChains and rollups. And CDK is one way to do that, and also hopefully app builders are interested in interoperability. So AggLayer is also a topic of conversation in the AppChain day.
Yeah, no, I think thank you, Osman. And Polygon is doing a great job at making the Web3's future and taking it in the right direction. And I think interoperability is the next North Star. So let's chase it together. Thank you very much.
Thank you.